welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Kristen and I'm gonna be making some Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs along with some things that I have thrifted or things that I found in my garage. Everything is gonna be super inexpensive, but today I'm super excited because if you don't already know by now, a lot of my decor I've been making is very rustic and that's the way I like it. So that's what's gonna be going on today. Also, I love deer and I love reindeer decor, so that is what I'm making today. I'm making 3 different reindeer slash deer decor Christmas Dollar Tree flip thrifting items. So I'm just gonna get started. So the first DIY I'm going to be making is just a sign made out of scrap wood. This is actually 21 inches long and I'm just going to be painting the whole entire thing white, and I just used the apple barrel paint from Walmart. And so I'm going to just start with that, and then once that is all dry, I did take 5-inch stencils and I just am going to be spelling out joy. So I took a J and then a Y and then I just traced those to the piece of wood.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
And then while the paint was drying, I just took this wreath from the Dollar Tree. This is the 18-inch, and I just folded it in half, and then I realized that it was way too big for what I wanted to do. So I actually just cut it in half again, and then that was like the perfect size wreath. So if that makes any type of sense, I folded it and then I just cut half of that. So, and then I just stuck the wreath right to the middle, so this spells out joy, and then I just kind of made the wreath the way I liked it and the way it looked. And then I just also took this reindeer ornament from the Dollar Tree, and then I just glued this right to the center.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh,
And then to give this some extra color, I just took a couple of these picks from the Dollar Tree, and then I just glued a whole pick on, and then I ended up cutting some berries off another one just to add a little bit more red.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to?
And I didn't think this sign was complete unless I added some twine. I just tied twine to the back and then just wrapped it around 3 or 4 times, and then I just tied it to the back once more.
To be making our Christmas memories. Oh,
And I also tied the twine to the bottom as well.
oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up,
The second DIY I have actually previously done this in a really old DIY. I think it was one of my first ones I ever did. And I am just going to take these little tea light holders and I'm just going to glue them all together. I'm just going to be using 3 of them. I thought these were so cute when I seen that they had Christmas ones, and I loved the reindeer on these as well. And I thought the snowflake would look super cute in the middle, so that's why I got 1 snowflake and 2 of the reindeer to make a little pattern. And I think in the end I'm going to end up adding tea lights to this, but I think for now I'm just gonna leave it as is, and then just in between each of these tea lights I'm just gonna wrap some twine and just tie it in a bow.
in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just.
And then I thought I would add a part of a little wreath I got from the Target dollar spot, and I have a lot of this left and I have seen it and people haul it in some of their videos from the Christmas, so you can also still pick this up, but I thought this would look really cute around the top. And then I just grabbed a couple of these picks from either Walmart or the Dollar Tree. I can't remember which one this one was from, and then I just cut the berries off and glued them to the top. And then I thought it kind of looked a little empty, so I did end up adding a pine cone.
It's gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
And the third DIY I have, this one is just pretty simple and easy. I picked up this basket from a thrift shop, and I obviously did not like the way it looked. It looked kind of old, so I did end up taking some spray paint and spray painting it with white, and I did make sure that you could see like the brown in it. I thought this looked cute the way it was, and then I did take the berries off that were on there. And then now I'm just going to be stuffing this full of like picks, and then I picked up that little deer from Hobby Lobby. I think it was $3, and then the picks were from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. I did end up having to stuff this with ornaments just so the deer would be a little bit higher. I was going to do some kind of DIY with these ornaments, and then I ended up changing my mind, so I had some left over. And then the last thing I did was just add this buffalo check ribbon to the side. I got this from Dollar General, and then I just made a cute simple bow to go along with this. Alright, that is it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked these DIYs, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Christmas memories. Yeah, see